Hello everyone. Welcome to the third chapter of C++. In this chapter we are going to start programming in C++. So, in this video, we will learn how to install an IDE, Integrated Development Environment, for C++. We are going to install code blocks and run every program in it. Let's start with the steps involved in installing code blocks. Google search code blocks. Click on the official link. Search for downloads. And then, search for binary release. Now, a list of downloads appears. Select Setup File, and download it from any of the server given. It takes a while to download. After downloading, simply open the setup file. Just install it, keeping everything default. It takes a while to install. After installation, run code blocks. A dialog box appears on the screen. Just select Associate Everything with C or C++ radio button, and then hit OK button. Now, your IDE is set up for programming in C++. That was so simple. You can download it and run your program here. We are going to run our codes in code blocks.
This is all for this video. I hope you understood each and everything. Please drop your queries in the comments section. If you like this video, please hit like button. If you want to learn more, please hit subscribe button. For now, this is Easy++, signing out.